travel for just 2 days, and when you go back, your house has been bubbled or destroyed by fire or flood. Welcome back to Insurance Capsule. Let us talk about something many people can relate to. You travel for a short trip, maybe just a weekend, and when you return, the door looks fine, but inside, everything is gone. Television gone, laptop gone, appliances missing. Now you're standing there thinking, how do I replace all of these stolen items at once? This is where householders insurance comes in. Householders insurance protects the content inside your home. Items that can be insured include the following: your electronics, the furniture, your appliances, personal belongings, phones, laptops, jewelries, wristwatches. And the important part is this: you don't have to own the building. Even as a tenant, this applies to you. Now, let us look at another very common situation. Power is restored suddenly. Within seconds, the TV, fridge, decoders, and all sorts are damaged. No fire, no theft, just voltage surge. And now, you are dealing with multiple replacements at once. Householders insurance is designed to cater for exactly these kind of situations. Now, let us simplify it clearly. House owners insurance covers the building. That's just the structure. Householders insurance covers the contents in the building, because your home is not just walls and roof. It is everything you've worked hard to acquire inside it. So think about it for a moment. Everything inside your home, your comfort, your tools, your daily life. If it disappears today, how quickly can you replace it? Because it is not just about owning personal belongings. It is about being able to recover your valuable items when those items are lost or when they get engulfed by fire. This is Insurance Capsule. Do not forget to subscribe, like, follow, and also drop us comments. Do not forget to turn on your notifications so you never miss a new capsule. See you on the next episode.